case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1897, the Supreme Court of the United States heard a case, Sentell v. New Orleans and Carrollton Railroad, which centered around the constitutionality of a Louisiana state law that regulated the ownership of dogs. The law in question required that dogs be included in property assessments and limited the owner's recovery for the dog's injury or death to the assessed value. The case was brought to court after a valuable Newfoundland dog, registered in the American Kennels Stud Book, was killed by an electric car while following its owner on a public street. The Court of Appeals had previously ruled that the law was constitutional, as it served as a police regulation to prevent the indiscriminate owning and breeding of worthless dogs, striking a balance between public interest and individual property rights. The Supreme Court ultimately affirmed the judgment of the Court of Appeals, finding that the Louisiana law was a valid police regulation. The plaintiff had no legal right to complain about the law, as it established a balance between public interest and individual property rights. The state also possessed the power to regulate the use and ownership of dogs, protecting the public from potential harm and nuisance caused by certain breeds.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.